Hey there, it's LSFT here today again, and today we're here to talk about the heads-up display again. But this time, it's because someone on Facebook actually told us that, oh, they can actually see the RPMs, and I actually figured out that the hybrid meter also shows up on heads-up display. But most of us will actually see the heads-up display like this, where we have the standard drive mode that we're in, the kilometers or the miles, the compass, and really the lane chasing and all the other stuff. So how do we actually get these RPMs and hybrid meter showing? So let's start that. So what you need to do is go into the car mode, and then in the driving assistance, you turn off the lane departure alert. So there's two ways to do this. You can click on this thing and also be able to turn it on or off based on here. So you actually can turn on or off the lane departure alert here. Okay. So once that's done, you would then see in your dash that the lane departure alert icon is off. The next thing you do, which I'm actually going to turn off my heads-up display so that you can actually see it on the dash, is you'll have to go here and change the mode of the driving assist mode. So normally it's the adaptive cruise mode. You change it to the cruise control mode. Once that's done, you also have to go and turn off the lane tracing assist mode. So now you will only have the cruise control icon on. Okay, so I'm going to turn back my heads-up display on, and we come back up, zoom in. So now you see that I have the Charge Eco Power, the hybrid meter. Normally we would not be seeing that, and cars that are not non-hybrids will actually see the RPM. So cars with hybrid mode, or hybrid vehicles, will see the RPM when we change the drive mode to sport. So sport. Go back here. So now you see, now I have the RPM. So Sport Plus Sport will show this, and then the normal Eco or the custom mode will show the hybrid meter on hybrid vehicles. So you may ask, is it really worth seeing the hybrid meter or the RPM on the heads-up display, but then sacrificing the lane departure alert, the lane tracing assist, and also the adaptive cruise control? I don't know. I would say probably being able to still have those features and seeing the RPM or the eco meter on the heads-up display is probably the best option. One thing that you would also notice, I've turned all these things on, and we actually see these meters, but when we actually go and turn off the vehicle, so I'm going to turn it off. Okay, and then when I turn it back on, you will now notice that the cruise control has now changed back to the adaptive cruise control. So the heads-up display is now back to the adaptive cruise heads-up display. So it's not that useful, because every single time when you restart your vehicle, it resets. So you'll have to go back and turn the adaptive cruise mode back to the cruise control mode to be able to see the hybrid meter or the RPMs. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think it's worth doing this? Or it's just a gimmick? Or should Lexus actually fix this? Also have these meters and also have the lane departure alert and also have the adaptive cruise lane tracing assist on so that we can see more. I would want to give credit to Martin Sims on Facebook telling me how to change the settings to see the hybrid meter or the RPMs on the heads-up display. Before we end this video, I'm going to be showing you how this heads-up display modes will show up while driving. If you'd like to see more of this content, please subscribe, comment, and share this video